In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for software development. We're going to set up a clean, developer-friendly workspace in ClickUp using a ready-made template so you can manage backlogs, sprints, and issues without starting from scratch. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to apply the template confidently. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign into your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one you want to use for your engineering work. A quick tip before we continue, you'll need permission to change space settings, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your workspace admin or switch to a space where you have the right access. Next, pick the space where you want your development process to live. You'll find your spaces on the left sidebar. Hover over the space name and look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the ellipsis or more options. Click that to open the Space Options panel. Double-check you selected the correct space, especially if other teams also use your workspace. If you're testing things out, it's totally fine to use a sandbox. Space first, then repeat the process in your real space once you're happy with the setup. From the Space Options, choose Apply a Template. This opens ClickUp's template library. Use the search bar and type Software Development. You'll see one or more software development templates curated by ClickUp or the community. Select the template that fits your workflow and preview it. The preview usually shows lists like backlog and sprints, agile-friendly statuses, sample views such as boards and lists, and helpful custom fields like priority, story points, or sprint. When you're ready, click to apply the template to your chosen space. During the apply process, review the options carefully. If you already have tasks in this space, it's safer to bring in the structure, statuses, views, and custom fields without overriding anything. If you're starting fresh, you can include example tasks to see how everything fits together, then delete or adapt them later. Map statuses to match your team's workflow. Keep assignees blank unless you know exactly who should own the initial tasks, and rename lists or views to your team's terminology as needed. Give ClickUp a moment to build everything. When it's done, open the space and explore the new views. You can start moving existing tickets into the backlog, plan your next sprint, and track issues from to-do to done using the pre-built boards. That's it. Open ClickUp, open your Space's three-dot menu, and apply the software development template. You now have a solid foundation to manage your entire dev lifecycle in one place.